What's up, everybody? This is 3 pieces of fatwood, just about the size of a small pine knot. 3 pieces, and a couple of little blocks of wood and a plank or 2 of wood, and that's been burning in this rain for about, I don't know, 10 minutes. It's just been like this, steady. So that fatwood is going to burn, whether it's being soaked or not. It is literally burning in the rain. I mean, you can see this rain. It's coming down. And it's been burning like this for 10 minutes. So, just wanted to show you.